feeling something. Could be mutual. Even when we are apart. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you saw the title, you know what we're going to be unboxing. Today, we will be unboxing the Apple AirPods Pro, which released in 2019. So before we begin with the video, I just want to say something. This AirPods Pro is not mine, similarly to the MacBook. I was just given the opportunity to unbox this for a video. So let's get into the video now. So before we begin, I just want to talk about some quick features of the AirPods Pro. So one feature is active noise cancellation. And what this is, it's basically cancels out the noise to some extent so that basically you can only hear the music. So let's say if you're on a subway, well, you can't really be in a subway in now time, but let's say if you're in a crowded area, hypothetical situation, and you don't want to hear any of the traffic or the people talking, you can just turn on active noise cancellation and you basically only hear the music or whatever you're listening to. There's also transparency mode, which is kind of like the opposite. You basically hear what you want to hear. There's also spatial audio, which got added in recently with the software update. And what this is, it's basically you have 5.1 Dolby surround sound, and it works with apps like HBO Max, Disney Plus, and Apple TV Plus. So there's also a lot of hardware differences. So if you can tell by the box, the stems are a lot shorter than the normal AirPods. There's also the silicone cushion tips. So yeah, basically the entire thing is changed. So yeah, let's talk about what comes in the box now. So what you get in the box is the two AirPods, wireless charging case, charging cable, and I think that's it. Let's talk about the price really quickly. So for some context, the normal AirPods start at a retail price of $159.99. Now these start at $249.99, which is about a $90 increase if I'm correct. But these go on sale quite a bit for like $20 or $50. So yeah, I guess that's it. Now let's unbox it. Okay, so let's inspect the package really quickly. So on this side, you get a picture of the AirPods, Apple logo. Over here, you get some details, Apple logo, and then AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. Here you get a picture of the case. You get some more details. So yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, so I don't need my unboxing knife for this because there's a pull tab. So I'm just gonna hold this close really quickly. Okay, that's that. I'm gonna put this to the side here. Now, put the top here. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, here are the pros. I'm gonna put this to the side really quickly. And let's see what else we get. Oh, that's cool. Oh, here are the silicone tips. Oh, okay, so we actually get a lightning cable to USB-C cable. I thought they didn't do that for AirPods, but that's neat. Here are the silicone tips. I'm not gonna take those out yet, but you can see them. Now, let's take a look at the AirPods. So I'm gonna take the wrap off. Okay, now this part. Okay, toss that to the side. Here we have the AirPods case. Here are the AirPods Pro. Okay, so let's take a look at this case really quickly. So if you see closely here, you actually get, you can see the wireless charging indicator or the charging indicator. There's also this part here. pairing button, hinge. Yeah, let's take a closer look at the buds really quickly. So you already get 2 buds out of the case immediately. So here are the buds. Again, this is much smaller than the normal one. People have been quick to say they look like Bellsprout, the Pokemon or whatever it's called, hair dryers, and some people have even been saying Pingu, which, I mean, I can see Bellsprout and a blow dryer, but I don't see Pingu at all. But still, it's pretty funny. You also have you also have squeeze controls on the side, so if you can see the small divot. 2 pairs inside this small thing, small case, I guess. And you already have the one other pair of tips. So in total, you get 3 tips. This is the smallest one, and this is the largest one. The medium size are on this. Again, here's the cable. I'm not sure how long the cable is, but it is a USB-C to Lightning or Lightning to USB-C cable. Here's the case. This case feels really nice in the hand. It's made out of the same materials they used for the AirPods, the normal AirPods. But as you can tell, this is a lot bigger than the normal AirPods case. So, yeah. Then hear the buds one more time. That's the entire AirPods Pro, I guess. Here are the tips. Here's this charging cable one more time. Just to make sure we don't get any Apple stickers. If we do, I'm gonna be super stoked, but yeah, we don't get any Apple stickers, which is kind of weird, but I mean, we didn't get Apple stickers for the last AirPods unboxing. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to active noise cancellation and spatial audio. But I guess that's it for the AirPods Pro. So let's end the video. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick unboxing and impressions of the AirPods Pro. I guess that's it for what you get in the box. The Apple link and Amazon link will be down in the description below. So make sure you go check those out. Yeah, I guess that's it for the video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.